Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through the skincare products by MyGlam, their glow range. I happened to pick up all of these products in the month of February when they had the Republic Day sale, where they were offering flat 72% off on all of their products. So I happened to grab a lot of products and I did make a huge haul as well. So if you haven't checked my haul videos, then you should be just jumping into the folder called makeup, skincare, fashion haul, where I do add up all of my haul videos. It's a playlist where you can find every single product I picked up. So yes, I have been using all of these products from the month of February. Now it's already 3 months I have been using, and I have been updating you guys every single product on my Instagram, as well as I do make these small skincare videos where I do include all of these products. So I thought, why not quickly sit down and talk about every single product I picked up from the glow range. Look out for another skincare video from again MyGlam, where I picked up 3 products from Manish Malhotra line. So yes, I have been using a lot of skincare products, a lot new skincare products, and I actually wanted to give the most time to all of these products, because a makeup brand getting skincare products, sometimes you just have that second thought, you are in double mind, should you be getting one for yourself? So I gave like the utmost time I could give to these products before sat down filming this video. Before I start showing you every single product and talk about in depth about them, I have prepared notes on every single product I'm going to show you today, so I don't want to miss out on any single point and how the brand is portraying the product. So let me just first open the MyGlam app and just go into the product so that we understand what brand is offering us and what is the whole thought process in launching the skincare line. So when I open the page, the first, in very short, in brief, they have written glow iridescent brightening skincare is infused with rosehip oil vitamin elixir to illuminate and hydrate the skin, providing a radiant, healthy glowing skin or healthy looking skin. Now this range has a lot of products, like from your cleanser to your eye cream to a sheet mask, you have it all here. So if you want to try, you can buy every single product from this range and try for yourself. The only one product I couldn't get is their moisturizer, which is still out of stock. So it is almost 4 months, the moisturizer is not in stock, and I don't know when they're getting. So whenever they get the moisturizer, I will try to review that product as well. So let's move on to the product number 1, cleanser. Glow Iridescent Brightening Foaming Cleanser infused with rosehip oil vitamin elixir. This is how the cleanser would come, in a very nice chic Manish Malhotra packaging. I would say Manish Malhotra because the brand is being owned by Manish Malhotra, as much as I know, or maybe he's just a partner. So but the packaging speaks out loud. You will feel that you're holding a luxury skincare product. But I do not like the lid, because if you hold the lid, it just opens by itself. So do not make that mistake. Just hold the product like this, or else things can go wrong. Though it is not a glass packaging, it's a fiber plastic. It's a heavy duty plastic here, so I don't see it breaking by itself. Like even if you drop it, I've dropped it like multiple times, it has not broken, so I'm really happy on that. Packaging here, I will still give a 9 out of 10 because it does look really nice. Other than that, not many things are mentioned, but the 3 things: pricing, the amount of product, manufacturing and expiry is written down below the product, and yes, a basic information that this is your cleanser. So yes, all in all, it is good, and it comes with a pump. So that's a really good thing, because you have a good control over how much product you are scooping out, or else we end up wasting a lot of cleanser. Basically, this cleanser is made for all skin type. It is going to help to remove your dirt, your pollution sitting on the skin, or basically just give you a more of a clean skin. It is definitely one of the most mildest cleansers I have. It is not a cleanser which is going to strip off your skin and give you more of a dehydrated skin. I do feel this cleanser gives me a nice hydration, a nice glow after I'm done with my cleansing. So all in all, it does a pretty good job of a good cleanser. This cleanser though is not going to help you to remove any kind of makeup which is sitting on your face. So do not expect too much out of one cleanser. So this is basically a cleanser which is going to remove all the dirt, everything which you have it on your skin, like a normal things, dust, pollution, dirt, all that this cleanser is going to help you to remove and give you a nice soft and supple skin. Moving on to another product, another interesting product. Before that, I will be mentioning a lot of things on the screen. So if anything important I would like to mention, it will be popping up on the screen, because it is not feasibly possible for me to remember every small thing. So I will be mentioning it on the screen so you will know everything. Moving on to the next step, toning. So this is the Glow Iridescent Brightening Toner. The packaging on all the products is same, so I'm not going to get into the packaging. Again, something well done by MyGlam. Now again, one thing which I would like to mention here, that I am a person who has not been using toner past 1.5 years. It's the MyGlam toner which I bought recently, February, and I've been using this toner from that time. Initially when I started using this toner, I did feel that my skin was feeling good. In between, when weather started changing, this toner was not supporting my skin. And then later again, when I started using it, it was working well. So maybe the changing weather, a lot of my skincare products keep changing. That is why I was not liking this product. Why did I buy this toner? Because I'm not a toner person. Because this toner doesn't have alcohol. And they have mentioned the ingredient in such bold letters on their website that you will not have any second thoughts before buying their skincare products. That is what I was telling you. It is such a spick and span site that you know everything about every single product. So yes, I really like the toner on my skin. It is not exactly watery. It is like a jelly consistency liquid. It's not runny. So it is going to give you a nice hydration and just sinks into the skin in no time. This is the only toner I'm using at this point on my skin. If I happen to try any other, I will let you know. So basically this toner is going to lock the moisture in. It is infused with iridescent powder for natural glow, and it is going to give you more of enhanced brightness as well as maintain the elasticity of the skin. And it will give you more of a rejuvenated and brightened up skin. If you include a toner regularly into your skin, you will see a visible difference in your pores reduction as well. And the toner's main purpose, apart from tightening your pores or maintaining the elasticity, is basically it maintains the pH level of your skin as well. So including a toner is a good option, and it is worldwide said that a toner is a good skincare product and it should be included. But for me, I just switch off things. I feel if the toner is not working well, I will just remove it altogether. So if it is something which you love using in your skincare, a toner, then you should be eyeing this one, and I'm really loving this for my skin. Moving on to another interesting product, and a product which I've completely finished, is the MyGlam Iridescent Brightening Essence. Yes, I am a big fan of Essence by a lot of brands, but the two brands who have killed it for me is L'Oreal and MyGlam. This is over. I have finished this. I already have a backup of this product. I got obsessed with this one, and after buying this one, I bought other products from this range because I was so happy with the results on my skin that I was like, let me try the whole range. And I must say, amazing product. A lot of you don't like very watery product for your skin. Dry skin people have other concerns. So this product can be best friend for all skin types. Reason being, it's not a typical water product or a typical serum kind of a product. It is more of a cream based product. So even if you don't want to put a moisturizer after your essence, this product would do an amazing job. Now, apart from the texture, how it made me feel, what wonderful changes I've seen on my skin, what basically you are getting here. What basically it will do for your skin is going to firm your skin and reduce your fine lines, which I have visibly seen on my skin that it has worked on on my blemishes, as well as it has worked on certain areas where I used to feel that my foundation used to crack or break. Those areas feel much corrected after using this product. Then it has 3D luminous effect and infused with polystric liquid crystals that moisturize and strengthen your skin, and it enhances your natural radiance of the skin. All of the products you see, they have written iridescent. When you pour the product on your hand, you feel there is some iridescent going on, but it is not going to show up on the skin, so do not worry. It is basically when you pour the product, that time only you see that iridescent glow. Otherwise, when you melt the product on the skin, massage the product on the skin, your skin just look next level. So highly recommend the essence. Like, you don't want to buy anything, buy the essence. You will thank me later, I'm too sure about it. Again, this product is for 1,195 rupees. You get only 15 ml here. So yes, it is a little pricey product, but I still feel 1,195 a lot of you can shell out, and it is not going to hurt your pocket. So the pricing on all of the MyGlam products are done really well. You may get a little lesser product, but you're not paying too much at the same point. Like if you pick up Estee Lauder serum, 15 ml. So 15 ml, technically they don't have a 15 ml, they have a 7 ml product where you pay 1250 rupees, the smaller size. Here you're paying 15 ml and you're paying lesser than 1250. So you're getting ideally a full size product for a nice pricing. Because if this product would have been priced for 3,000 rupees and you were getting 30 ml or maybe 50 ml of product, you would have not bought it, but just by seeing the price. So I felt a lot of thought process is gone even while packaging and the amount of product they were giving us. But this essence lasted me for 2 months because I was using every single day. So yes, 15 ml, I'm still happy because I can shell out 1150 at one go. So yes, a wonderful product by MyGlam. One other thing which I noticed with all of these products, they work absolutely wonderful in winters as well as summers. So they do not overhydrate my skin, neither they dry out my skin. So all of the products have been working amazingly well onto combination to oily skin, which I have. In that, let's move on to another product, is the lotion. So they have a glow iridescent brightening lotion as well here. Now guys, here I felt the product is not up to my expectation, because here you're paying 1,095 rupees for 50 ml of moisturizer. In this much amount of money, I can get like a lot of moisturizer, and I like the texture of the lotion. I really like the way it blends onto the skin, but the only factor I did not like here was the amount of product I'm getting here. Basically, it is a lightweight moisturizer, a lotion which is quickly absorbing to your skin. It just gives you that nice glow on the skin which is happening with the iridescent effect, but it's not like a highlighter on the body. So it really gives you that nice soft and supple, soft glowing skin. And yes, it works onto that cracked dry skin as well. So if you have that issue just like me, you're gonna love this moisturizer. Let me show you this moisturizer onto my skin so that you know what I'm talking about. So this is how the moisturizer would look, and when you start massaging the product, it just melts into the skin and give you this nice glow. And now it has settled in completely, so it is not going to sit like a vague lotion on your skin, but you need very tiny product. The amount of product I showed you, I could have taken like this and spread it all over my hands. So it looks very creamy, but when you start massaging on the body, it just melts like water on the skin. So if you have dry and itchy skin, then this moisturizer can be your best friend. But are you ready to pay 1095 for this product? Then you might as well get one. I already have another one because I really liked it. sometimes I get a little bougie with my lotions. So yeah, because these are something which I don't buy every month. So once I have bought it, I will use it for months and months. That's how I am with lotions. So I don't mind spending a little extra here because I have a super dry skin, and this really holds up well and give me a nice smooth skin. So another well good investment by me, and I really like it. And now we are down to the last product, and a product which you should buy. Yes, if you are a person like me who likes to invest in good eye creams, then I would say this one is to go for. This is the Glow Iridescent Brightening Eye Cream. Oh my god, I have been wearing this eye cream from the time I've got it, and no way I'm looking back. I just love how this eye cream sits onto my eyes, under eyes, and it just gives me that nice glow underneath the eyes. Glow means not that highlighting glow. Secondly, it has really fixed some fine lines which I was about to, it was in the process of coming, and it has really brightened the under eye. It has really helped deep puffing my eyes as well. This is the eye cream which I was carrying when I was traveling. Wherever I was going, I was just using this one in combination with others. But this is one eye cream which I use every day. Every day. This is something which you should be investing in. And I highly, highly, highly recommend eye creams because I don't still see people getting serious on eye creams. They just neglect it. But include one, because once you're late, there's no looking back, then you can't fix it. So everyone has a thought process on eye cream, so I would suggest you get this one. What basically this is going to do for your eyes is going to reduce the fine lines, work on your wrinkles, work on your dark circles, and give you more of a rejuvenated and brightened under eye. It has a lot plant derived ingredients, so it really works deep inside the skin and give you a nice soft and supple skin. This is one eye cream which I constantly use, and I already have a backup on this one. So just check out MyGlam website to buy any of your MyGlam products. This eye cream is going to cost you $11.95, and you get I think 15 ml of product. Yes, but that's a lot of product. I am using this eye cream past 2.5 months, close to 3 months I must say, and I still have a lot. So one eye cream, if you use it twice daily, it's still going to last you for 3 to 4 months. So a good investment here again. It has really worked amazingly well onto my skin. So yes, if you haven't tried any eye cream so far, then this can be the one to start from. So now you know all about the MyGlam Glow Iridescent skincare line. I absolutely love every single product I showed you. I had nothing negative to mention about any single product, and for your information, all of these products were bought by me, and yes, I did pay for all of these products because I did get all of these products on 72% discount. So it's not a sponsored video. I thought I should share my reviews and thoughts with you, and you all wanted to know about every single product, the people who are following me on my Instagram. So now you have all your answers. So you should be eyeing on these products by MyGlam. I highly recommend the Essence as well as the eye cream for startups, and later when you love using these two products, then you can introduce more. I will definitely grab the moisturizer as it is back in stock, and will update you guys about the moisturizer. But I know I'm gonna love it because I have used the samples of the moisturizer, so I know I'm gonna love it. But I will just wait for the product to be restocked. I hope you loved watching this one. Everything will be linked in my description. If you want to grab any single product for yourself, or any second thought or any doubts you have, leave it to your comments. I will get back to you. I will see you in my next one. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram. Till then, you take care and ta-da.